Erbil, capital city of Iraqi Kurdistan. Out of several days we spent there during our 2021 trip to Iraq, this was the one we devoted to doing some proper exploration, as well as the one I remember to record a few clips to put up together this short video. Here we are seeing a gigantic flag of Kurdistan. We are all in for Kurdish freedom, solidarity brothers. And here we are basically walking around the city citadel, a World Heritage Site that's been occupied for millennia. Nowadays, unfortunately, it's not being given its due care. Many of its edifices were dilapidated, and most of its premises was altogether restricted to public access. Some restoration works were underway though, and I believe these caravans were there to house workers. And here we are back at the entrance, watching this lovely view of the old town. And now we are in the city's mazed bazaar. It was a proper labyrinth, and there one may easily get lost. It felt very originally oriental. All sorts of stuff were for sale, from jewelry and apparel to toys and electronics, anything under the sun. Although we didn't buy anything because we obviously didn't have any spare space in the backpacks, we very much enjoyed walking around. Outside again, where all the restaurants, tea shops and sweet shops were located, as well as stalls and walking vendors. Here we are on the main square nearby, more stuff for sale around here. People were very friendly and excited to see us, just like everywhere. Here you get a nicer view of the square. Now we are walking away from the center on a mission to find a bank that accepts foreign cards. Luckily we managed to find one and spare the trouble. Having a fresh pomegranate juice on the way, that's something I have always loved about the Middle East. Now we are far away from the old town, where there are only wide scorched avenues and nothing too interesting to see. Not a particularly pedestrian friendly city. We are very happy to even have a pavement here. And even happier to find this park to take a shortcut through. After we managed to get our money, we got on a taxi and headed towards Ankawa district, basically the Assyrian district, which is also famed as the city's free zone. We walked into a church briefly where a mass was ongoing and got to walk around the neighborhood a bit before it got dark and we got hungry.